Hi guys, today we are going to see social distancing system. So here 4 laser diodes are available and then 4 LDR sensor. So here in the room 4 seats are there. Like LCD display as a message, slots, number of slots are available as 4, and then one ultrasonic sensor control the entry servo motor, and then another one ultrasonic sensor control the exit servo motor. So if the person enter in the room but will not sit in the seat means social distance not followed. If the person seated in the seat means social distance followed message will be displayed by the LCD display. Now I am going to switch on the power supply. So here LCD display as a message, number of slot available as 4. So whenever enter the person in the room, so this one is a entry servo motor. So if the person entered, gate opened, after gate closed, but the person not seated in the room, then slot will be shown as a 4 slot available, but the person not followed the social distance. This message will be shown here, social distance not followed. Okay, if like the signal cutted means number of slot will show 3 and then social distance followed. If another one person entered in the room means like door open, door closed, then 2 signals are cut, the number of slots 2, social distance followed, and then 3 person entered means so number of slot is 1, like 1 signal only go. Like if 4 signals are cutted means like number of slot as 0, social distance followed. Everyone followed the social distance. If anyone not sit in the seat means like social distance not followed message will be shown here, everyone. This one is a exit control servo motor. So this one is a exit control servo motor. Okay, it will open and then wait for 5 seconds. It will automatically close. Okay, that's all. Thank you.